Making $900 a day with faceless YouTube videos may sound like a dream, but with the right strategy and dedication, it can become a reality. In the vast landscape of online content creation, faceless YouTube videos offer a unique opportunity to generate income without revealing your identity. The rise of the faceless YouTube phenomenon. In recent months, a faceless YouTube channel has captured the attention of viewers by generating an impressive $155,000 in revenue through motivational videos. What sets this channel apart is not just its earnings but also its rapid ascent to popularity. Its second video alone has amassed over 1.5 million views, contributing to a total view count exceeding 4 million. This remarkable success highlights the effectiveness of the channel's unconventional approach to content creation, which prioritizes delivering powerful motivational messages over personal branding or identity. By focusing on universal themes and delivering content that resonates with audiences globally, the channel has managed to carve out a niche in the competitive landscape of online video content. As viewers continue to seek inspiration and motivation in their daily lives, this faceless YouTube channel has emerged as a beacon of positivity, attracting a dedicated following and establishing itself as a formidable force in the digital sphere. The blueprint for YouTube automation success. In the journey to launch your own YouTube automation channel, this chapter serves as your roadmap to success, unveiling the proven strategies that have propelled others to remarkable heights. While resources on stoicism and motivation abound, our approach stands out for its transparency and comprehensive guidance, leaving no aspect overlooked. First and foremost, establishing clarity on your channel's niche is paramount. While stoicism and motivation serve as broad themes, delving deeper into specific subtopics can differentiate your content and attract a dedicated audience. Whether it's practical stoic exercises, daily motivation tips, or success stories, identifying your unique angle sets the foundation for compelling content. Next, mastering the art of automation is key to maximizing efficiency and scalability. Leveraging tools like video editing software, content scheduling platforms, and automation scripts streamlines your workflow, allowing you to produce consistent and high-quality content with minimal manual effort. Embracing automation not only saves time but also ensures a steady stream of uploads to engage your audience. Additionally, understanding the nuances of YouTube's algorithm is essential for gaining visibility and growing your channel. Optimizing your video titles, descriptions, and tags with relevant keywords enhances your discoverability. Furthermore, engaging with your audience through comments, likes, and shares signals to the algorithm that your content is valuable and deserving of promotion. Monetization strategies play a pivotal role in turning your passion into profit. While traditional methods like ad revenue are a staple, diversifying your income streams can enhance financial stability and long-term sustainability. Exploring avenues such as affiliate marketing, sponsored content, and merchandise sales empowers you to monetize your audience effectively while providing added value. Lastly, consistency and perseverance are the cornerstones of success in the world of YouTube automation. Building a loyal following takes time and dedication, requiring a steadfast commitment to delivering valuable content consistently. Embrace feedback, iterate on your approach, and stay resilient in the face of challenges, knowing that each obstacle presents an opportunity for growth. By following this blueprint and infusing your unique voice and perspective, you'll be well equipped to embark on your journey to YouTube automation success. With diligence, creativity, and a passion for your niche, the possibilities are endless, and the rewards are yours for the taking. Setting up your channel and branding. Embarking on your YouTube journey begins with establishing your channel and crafting a brand identity that resonates with your audience. The first step is selecting a channel name that reflects your content and is memorable to viewers. Consider keywords relevant to your niche and ensure the name is easy to spell and pronounce. Next, create a captivating bio that introduces yourself and your channel's purpose. Use this opportunity to highlight what sets your content apart and why viewers should subscribe. Additionally, include keywords related to your niche to improve discoverability in YouTube searches. A visually appealing logo is essential for branding consistency across your channel and other platforms. Design a logo that embodies your channel's theme and personality while being easily recognizable in various sizes and formats. Once your channel is set up, focus on creating high-quality content that engages and entertains your audience. Define your niche and target audience to tailor your content to their interests and preferences. Consistency is key, so establish a regular upload schedule to keep viewers engaged and coming back for more. Promote your channel across social media platforms and engage with your audience through comments and community posts. Building a loyal following takes time and effort, so be patient and persistent in your efforts. As your channel grows, explore monetization options such as YouTube's partner program, sponsored content, and affiliate marketing. Diversifying your revenue streams can help maximize your earning potential and sustain your channel's growth over time. By following these steps and staying true to your unique voice and vision, you can create a successful YouTube channel that not only entertains but also inspires and enriches the lives of your viewers. Crafting compelling scripts and voiceovers. Crafting engaging scripts and voiceovers is essential for creating captivating faceless YouTube videos that resonate with your audience. With the help of advanced ad tools like DupDub, you can streamline this process and generate viral-worthy content effortlessly. These tools leverage sophisticated algorithms to analyze trending topics, audience preferences, and linguistic patterns, allowing you to create scripts that are not only compelling but also optimized for maximum engagement. By harnessing the power of DupDub, you can access a wealth of data-driven insights and suggestions to enhance the quality and effectiveness of your scripts. From catchy hooks to compelling storytelling, DupDub provides invaluable assistance in crafting content that captivates viewers and keeps them coming back for more. Whether you're creating tutorial videos, product reviews, or entertainment content, leveraging ad-driven tools like DupDub can significantly elevate the quality and impact of your faceless YouTube videos. With its intuitive interface and powerful features, DupDub empowers content creators to unleash their creativity and achieve unprecedented success in the competitive world of online video content. Creating stunning visuals and animations. In the realm of YouTube content creation, captivating visuals and animations play a pivotal role in attracting and retaining viewers. With the advent of AI image generators like Leonardo AI, content creators now have access to powerful tools that can enhance the visual appeal of their videos effortlessly. Editing and uploading your videos. Using tools like CapCut, guaranteeing that your video achieves a polished and professional look. It covers everything from eliminating pauses and voiceovers to incorporating captions and smooth transitions. By mastering these editing techniques, you'll be empowered to elevate your content to the next level, captivating your audience with seamless and engaging visuals. With the insights and skills gained in this, you'll have the necessary tools to transform your raw footage into high-quality videos that leave a lasting impression on your viewers. Monetization strategies. Once you've established a growing audience for your faceless YouTube videos, it's time to explore monetization strategies to capitalize on your success. One of the most common avenues is YouTube's partner program, which allows eligible creators to earn money through ads displayed on their videos. By meeting the program's requirements, such as reaching a certain number of subscribers and watch hours, you can start generating revenue from your content. In addition to ad revenue, consider diversifying your income streams by selling merchandise related to your channel. This could include branded clothing, accessories, or other products that resonate with your audience. Creating and promoting merchandise not only provides a direct source of income, but also strengthens your brand identity and fosters a deeper connection with your viewers. Furthermore, affiliate marketing offers another opportunity to monetize your content by promoting products or services in your videos and earning a commission for any sales generated through your unique affiliate links. By partnering with relevant brands and recommending products that align with your audience's interests, you can generate additional revenue while providing valuable recommendations to your viewers. By implementing these monetization strategies effectively, you can maximize your earnings potential and transform your passion for content creation into a lucrative venture. What do you think of our video? Let us know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.